Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday on a Thursday. I was unable to upload a video yesterday only because I just haven't been feeling so well. I know last week I told you guys how I had to call my doctors and I haven't been feeling so great, and my doctors now have a plan in place, and I have a different schedule for my medications, and hopefully to get my Crohn's disease under control. We are just taking things a little slow, and I'm taking things very easy. So I was unable to upload yesterday and check in with all of you, but I couldn't wait too long because I wanted to check in with you today and see how everyone is doing. Please leave me your comments, your messages, and what you're making today. What's on your crochet hooks this week? I have to see. I need more inspiration. I've been working and plucking away at this corner to corner, and I got pretty far. I'm at the point now where it's wide enough. You can't even see it, it's too wide. It's wide enough to just continue to decrease now to make my blanket. So I'm really excited about that, and I'll be doing a tutorial on that soon. I have some archived stitch videos that I plan to release as well. So I know I mentioned that last week. I just didn't have a chance to edit anything, so we now have everything edited and uploaded to YouTube. So I just want to release some new tutorials for everybody. I'm so excited. So I wanted to let you know that we hit 25,000 followers on Instagram. I cannot believe this. I'm so grateful for this community. I cannot say thank you enough for everybody who has supported YARNutopia on all of our platforms, subscribing to YouTube, following us on Facebook and on Instagram, on Snapchat. Just, I love that you guys are part of my community here in the YARNutopia world, and it's so much fun to just share our love of crochet, and I just cannot thank you enough for supporting us and this journey in crochet. It's so awesome. So to thank you, I have decided to have a giveaway, and in this giveaway we are hosting a 25K giveaway on Instagram exclusively. So you have to have an Instagram account to enter, and you have to have a US address to enter. This giveaway is no way affiliated with Instagram. It's just my own giveaway here at YARNutopia, and it will be a random drawing. So all you have to do is follow YARNutopia on Instagram, like and comment on the giveaway post, and tag a friend in the comments. And that is really all you have to do. And I will post a photo on Instagram with the directions and how to enter my giveaway, and you'll be able to enter it and hopefully win this grab bag. So this is the bag. It is so beautiful. It looks like granny squares. It looks like mini granny squares all over. This is so nice. It's huge. It's a big, giant tote bag, and it has a zipper pocket on the back side. It has a side pocket here and a side pocket here. And then on the inside, I will be stuffing this baby with yarn, and it has two pockets here and here. I've already stuffed something in there. Exciting prizes. And there's a pocket on this side as well. And then there's so much space in there for all your balls of yarn, which I plan to pack full of yarn and notions, stitch markers, some really nice stationery, and things for you to use during your crochet. So I'll be filling this up, and I will be putting it up on Instagram for you to enter to win. So make sure to check that out. I'm so excited. I mean, 25K, I never really thought that we would even get this big. This is so awesome, and I just absolutely love hanging out with you guys, checking in with you every week, and sharing my crochet projects, and just seeing you guys make things that I have designed. It's so fabulous. I love it so much. Oh, and another thing, I have the Bernat blanket yarn and the Red Heart Sweet Home yarn comparison. Actually, hang on a second. I actually washed the squares. I made 2 squares, and I washed them, And this yarn is so heavenly, both of them. They're so heavenly to work with. And I didn't realize that yarn could get even softer. Like, these are so soft to work with, but when you wash this yarn, it is even softer. And I am going to be making my own blanket, one for me, very selfishly. I'm going to be making a blanket out of one of these two yarns for me, for myself, because it is so incredibly soft and I love it so much. So I really have no bad things to say about these yarns, but I will be posting my review very soon on the comparison. So I'm really excited to share that with you as well. So that is all of what I have to update everybody on this week. Very quick and easy. I've just been taking things slowly and easy and crocheting the corner to corner blanket. But check out my giveaway on the Instagram, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, great weekend. Yeah, it's Nurses Week. Thanks to all the nurses who are taking care of all of us. And Mother's Day is coming up, so happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there, and the dads too, do the mom's job. You all are very much appreciated, and I'm going to go snuggle Nasser and yeah, hang out with him for the rest of the day. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your week. Until next week, happy hooking.